Hi and welcome to Fortis. This video is dedicated to showing you how our online payment system works. Currently, we are in the Fortis platform under the orders section. A customer has just sent me a message saying that they would like to purchase a red rose bouquet from my shop. I will go on create and then I will click on add item. I will add the name of the item, such as red rose bouquet. I will add the price as well as the quantity and click on next. I will then select my name as manager, select the source, select the customer name, such as Raj, for example. I will select the receiving method, such as own delivery, add a payment type, online, and just click on add. You will notice that a window pops up with a button that says get payment link, which I will click on. And there you have it. Our payment link is ready. I can copy it and I can send it on WhatsApp for my customer to pay me. Let's open the link. And there you have it. Your customer is now ready to input their card number and pay you what they owe you. Keep in mind that in the meantime, your order has been registered under the orders section over here. This is the date and the time, the payment type, and the delivery method. If I click on it, you will see all of the details relevant to your order. This enables merchants to manage all of the different orders coming from the different sources seamlessly, helping you maximize the time that you spend growing your business.